Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will see how to solve equations involving sets. To make this easier, I separate this into three cases. The first one is sets with a constant. The second one is one set with a linear equation. And the third case is equations with two sets. Let's begin with case number one. Here we have a set with a constant. It will be easier to solve this if the constant is on the other side. So let's move this. Square root 3x minus 2 equals to 5. We need to use square to cancel this square root, and to do that, we need to square both sides. So put square on the left side and put square on the right side over here. Since square root and square will cancel each other, we are left with just 3x minus 2 equals to 25. See, this is just a linear equation now. Move minus 2 to the right side over here. So you have 3x equals to 27. And lastly, you have x equals to 9. So let's move on to the second case here, which here we have a set with a linear. The same as before, we want to cancel this set over here. And one of the way to do that is to square both sides. Square root and square cancel each other. So now we have 5 minus 4x equals to x squared, which is now a quadratic equation. To solve quadratic equation, we need to make this equal to 0. So we are going to move this one to the other side here. So we have 0 equals to x squared plus 4x minus 5. And then we are going to factorize this. So we have 0 equals to x plus 5, x minus 1. So we have x plus 5 equals to 0, and we have x minus 1 equals to 0. And from this, we have x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 1. Usually, this is the end of our calculation. But for this case, we need to recheck our answers. You can discuss why we need to recheck this case in your tutorial session. Hint, we do not recheck this because we have two different answers. Right. So in order to recheck our answers, we need to substitute our answers back into the original equation. Let's make a 3 by 3 table to make our calculation easier. Like this. I'll move this bit to the left so I can have more space to write. Okay, let's label this one as left hand side and label this one as right hand side. In the original equation, on our left side, we have square root of 5 minus 4x. And in our right side, we have just x. And for this column over here, we're going to put the values of x. So we have x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 1. For all this, we're going to substitute the values of x. So let's fill that in. So when x equals to minus 5, this is equals to square root of 5 plus 20. So this is square root of 25, which is equals to 5. And when x equals to 1, this one is equals to 5 minus 4 equals to square root of 1, which is just 1. And this one is equals to minus 5, and this one is equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 5, its left-hand side is not equal to its right-hand side. And because of this, we are going to reject this. Next, take a look at this one. Since the left-hand side matches with its right-hand side, so we're going to accept this answer. So our final answer should be, therefore, x is equal to 1. Let's move on to case number 3. Equation with two sets. For this one, you are going to do it on your own. Pause this video now and solve it first. We'll check your answer after you're finished. Ready? Let's check your answers. To cancel off square root, we just need to square both sides. So square on the left and square on the right. Square root and square will cancel each other, so you are just left with 2x plus 3 equals to 2 minus 3x. Now this becomes very easy linear to solve. So 5x equals to minus 1. And finally, x equals to minus 1 over 5. Do recheck for this case. So our final answer should be, therefore, x is equal to minus 1 over 5. So that's it for now. I'll see you in our last topic of Chapter 1, Logarithm. Until then, thank you for your attention. Have a great day and take care.